Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zohaib Ikram. I am a student of MPhil second semester. My presentation topic is the presentation of data. Let's see what is presentation of data. Presentation of data refers to an exhibition or putting of data in attractive and useful manner such that it can be easily interpreted. This is the presentation of data. Now we further present the data in different forms. So the two main form of presentation of data are graphic presentation, and the second one is diagrammatic presentation. So first we have to discuss the graphic presentation of data. So graphic presentation is a way of presentation of data and information. Usually graphs are used to present time series and frequency distribution. In this section we will look at the graphic presentation of data and information along with its types. First we have to discuss construction of graph. So how we can construct a graph? This is the step to construct a graph. The graphic presentation of data information offers a quick and simple way of understanding the features and drawing comparisons. Further, it is an effective analytical tool, and graph can help us in finding the mode, median, etc. Now this is the way to how to construct the graph. We can locate a point in a plane using two mutually perpendicular lines, the x-axis the horizontal line and the y-axis the vertical line. Their point of intersection is the origin. This is a basic graphic graph construction, that you have x-axis the horizontal line and the y-axis the vertical line, and their point of intersection is the origin. We can locate the position of point in terms of a distance from both the axes. For example, if a point P is 3 units away from the y-axis and 5 units away from the x-axis, then its location is follow. This is the graphic representation of that point, which is 3 units away from axis and 5 units away from the y-axis. So this is the graphical plane, and we plot this point in a graph, and we plot this point in a graph. This is the point in the graph we have plotted. So this is the graphical representation of the data. So some general rules for graphic presentation of data information are the following. There are certain guidelines for attractive and effective graphic presentation of data information. These are as follow. The first one is suitable title. You have to give a suitable title to your graph. Ensure that you give a suitable title to graph which clearly indicate the subject for which you are presenting it. After that, the second step is unit of measurement. Clearly state the unit of measurement below the title. After giving the title, you have to give the unit of measurement. The third point is suitable scale. Choose a suitable scale so that you can represent the entire data in an accurate manner. The fourth step is index. You have to give proper indexes. Include a brief indexes which explain the different colors and shade, lines and design that you have used in the graph. Also include a scale interpretation for better understanding. The fifth step is data sources. Wherever possible, include the sources of information at the bottom of the graph. From wherever you have collected the data, so you have to provide that source from where you have collect the data or information at the bottom. So the next step is keep it simple. You have to keep you should construct a graph which even a layman with any exposure in the area of statistics or mathematics can understand. mean it will be simple, that is understood easily by everyone. The last step is it will be neat.